This is why you need to rethink that fridgescaping trend. Fridgescaping, the art of meticulously organizing and decorating your refrigerator, has taken social media by storm. Influencers and home organization enthusiasts alike are showcasing their perfectly arranged fridges, complete with color-coordinated shelves and aesthetically pleasing containers. But while it might look like a dream come true, there are some serious downsides to this trend that you need to be aware of. It might look cool, but it could be dangerous. Here's why. First, overstuffing your fridge. When you cram every inch of your refrigerator with food items, it might give off the impression of abundance and preparedness. However, this practice can lead to several issues that are not immediately apparent. It might look full and fabulous, but it blocks air circulation. Refrigerators are designed to maintain a consistent temperature by circulating cold air throughout the compartments. When you overstuff your fridge, you block these vents, preventing the cold air from reaching all areas evenly. This can cause some items to stay too warm, while others might freeze. The result? Uneven cooling and potential spoilage of your food. Your food? Not so fabulous when it spoils faster. Spoiled food not only leads to waste, but can also be a health hazard. Consuming spoiled food can cause foodborne illnesses, which can range from mild stomach discomfort to severe food poisoning. It's essential to ensure that your fridge is not overpacked to maintain proper air circulation and keep your food fresh for longer. Second, those fancy glass containers? They might be all the rage right now, with their sleek and modern look, but they come with their own set of problems. They look chic, but they're heavy and can crack shelves. Glass containers are significantly heavier than their plastic counterparts. When you load your fridge shelves with these heavy containers, you put extra strain on the shelves. Over time, this can lead to cracks or even breakage, which can be both dangerous and costly to repair. Oops, there goes your shelf and your lunch. Imagine opening your fridge to find a cracked shelf and shattered glass containers. Not only is this a mess to clean up, but it also means that your carefully prepared meals are now ruined. It's a frustrating and potentially hazardous situation that can be easily avoided by opting for lighter storage options. And let's not forget food safety. Proper food storage is crucial to prevent cross-contamination and ensure that your food remains safe to eat. Mixing raw meats with ready-to-eat snacks? Recipe for disaster, literally. Hello, food poisoning. Not fun. Raw meats can harbor harmful bacteria such as Salmonella and E. coli. When these bacteria come into contact with ready-to-eat foods, they can cause serious foodborne illnesses. It's essential to store raw meats on the bottom shelf of your fridge, away from other foods, to prevent any potential cross-contamination. Lastly, constant opening and closing for the perfect shot? We all want that Instagram-worthy fridge, but constantly opening and closing the door to rearrange items and take photos can have unintended consequences. Yeah, that's a great way to hike up your energy bill. Every time you open your fridge door, cold air escapes, and the refrigerator has to work harder to bring the temperature back down. This not only puts extra strain on the appliance, but also increases your energy consumption, leading to higher electricity bills. Your wallet will thank you not. Higher energy bills can put a strain on your budget, and the constant need to rearrange your fridge for the perfect shot can become a time-consuming and costly habit. So, before you turn your fridge into an art exhibit, think twice. While a beautifully organized fridge might be visually appealing, it's essential to prioritize functionality and safety over aesthetics. Your fridge and your stomach will thank you. By keeping your fridge organized in a practical and safe manner, you can ensure that your food stays fresh, your appliance runs efficiently, and you avoid unnecessary expenses and health risks. So, the next time you're tempted to fridgescape, remember these tips and make choices that benefit both your fridge and your well-being.